Hello and welcome back to my channel. ZuluFullTimeMama here. Sanibona, ngiyanimukela futhi kwikhasi lami lapho sifunda khona isiZulu. Namhlanje sizofunda ngemisebenzi occupation. Today I decided to add some pictures to this video, and I got these pictures from freepik.com. I'll include the link in the description below. So let's get down to it. Masiqale. Imisebenzi occupations. Teacher, uthisha or umfundisi. Police officer, iphoyisa. Uthisha or umfundisi. Umfundisi. Iphoyisa. Iphoyisa. A nurse, unesi. Unesi or umhlengikazi. Umhlengikazi. A doctor, udokotela. 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 Unesi. Unesi. Umhlengikazi. Umhlengikazi. Dokotela. Udokotela. A singer, umculi. Umculi. An engineer, unjiniyela. Unjiniyela. Umculi. Umculi. Unjiniyela. Unjiniyela. A dancer, umdansi. Umdansi. An author, umbhali. Umbhali. Umdansi. Umdansi. Umbhali. Umbhali. A farmer, umlimi. Umlimi. A carpenter, umbazi. Umbazi. Umlimi. Umlimi. Umbazi. Umbazi. Before I end this video, let me clarify the word umfundisi, which is teacher. And it can also be umfundisi and mean a priest or a pastor. So in isiZulu, you'll find one word that will mean different things. It will just depend where and how it's used. I hope this video was fruitful. Please feel free to suggest in the comment section what you would want me to cover next. To see more of my videos, please like and subscribe and turn on post notification so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And also feel free to share the videos with your friends and family. I am ZuluFullTimeMama. Let's learn Zulu together. Asifunde isiZulu ndawonye. Bye for now. See you in our next video. Thank you. Nisale kahle. Siyabonga.